All right, 7th graders, we're just going to do a short, fun project to finish the week out. If you haven't turned in your Google presentation, your slides, if you're or you haven't shared it with me, you need to do that. And I will be looking through those and putting a grade in for you. So that's the first thing you need to finish. Then we're just going to do this fun thing. I'm on this site, Canva, canva.com. So you're going to need to go to this site. If you've never been here before, you're going to need to click up here where it says sign up for free, and you can just sign in with your Google and use your student password. I've already got an account, so let's see if I can get logged in. I should have done this earlier. Well, try this. Oh. So maybe I'll just sign up for free. I don't know. All right, I should have been better prepared. And so it looks like it's going to take you through this stuff. I put teacher, maybe later. I don't really care about that. And I don't really care about that. And all right, so what you guys are going to do, you are going to create a poster. So I'm going to go ahead and click on poster. And what you guys are going to do is you're going to create a poster, and I want you to be creative. And I'm not going to go step by step through here to show you how to use everything in Canva. I'm going to let you do a little exploring, and it looks like it kind of walks you through a little bit here anyway. I'm just going to close that out. You guys can follow through if you want. But basically, you're going to make a poster, and it's going to be why it's important to wear a mask and or a face shield to fight coronavirus. And I see there's some coronavirus posters over here. Now, I don't want you just to use that. It's not necessarily, I mean, if you want to use something similar to that, you can, but I want you guys to be creative, and you can use some different backgrounds. You can add your own pictures. So again, I want you guys to be creative. Now, this is free, so we're limited on what we can do, but you should be able to upload things or maybe search online and get some photos. You can click on elements to see what are available for the free version. So there's some of this. You can add text, which you don't have to have a lot of text, but I want you to put maybe 1 or 2 reasons why it's important to wear a mask to fight coronavirus. So I'm going to kind of leave this up to you. There's backgrounds that you can have if you want different colored backgrounds, or if you want to use a template. You're not required. Again, I'm not putting a rubric up. I'm not putting a lot of expectations out there as far as requirements. I guess requirements is the better thing. Obviously, everything needs to be school appropriate. If you add your own pictures, they need to be school appropriate. All right, so you're going to go to Canva. You're going to create an account like I did because I thought I had one, but I guess not. And you're going to get signed in. It's free. And then you're going to create a poster on why it's important to wear a mask or a face shield to help fight the coronavirus. All right, so just kind of a fun little activity to wrap up the week. So I'll let you have today and tomorrow to work on this, and then you should be able to click on share up here, and you can send it to me, to my email. Actually, that pops up, but you should have the teachers' emails, and then you can share this with me so I can look at it. Okay, so just a fun little project to finish out the week, and make sure that you have your Google presentation done and share that with me also. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email.